Property flipping, a comprehensive guide for new investors. Embarking on the journey of property flipping can be both exciting and daunting for beginners. With the right knowledge and strategies, it is possible to navigate the real estate market successfully and achieve profitable outcomes. In this guide, we will explore the key aspects of property flipping, providing valuable insights and tips to help you thrive in this competitive industry. Understanding property flipping. Property flipping, also known as house flipping, involves purchasing a property, renovating it to enhance its value, and selling it at a higher price to generate a profit. This investment strategy has gained popularity in the real estate sector due to its potential for significant returns within a short period. Benefits of property flipping. Fast results. Property flipping offers the opportunity to earn a substantial return on investment in a relatively short time frame, making it an attractive option for investors seeking quick profits. Market opportunities. By identifying underpriced properties in emerging markets, investors can capitalize on lucrative opportunities to maximize their profits through strategic renovations and resale. Skill building. Engaging in property flipping allows investors to develop essential skills in real estate management, construction, market analysis, and financial planning, enhancing their expertise in the field. Risks associated with property flipping. Financial risk. Property flipping involves a significant financial investment, and there is always the potential to incur losses if market conditions fluctuate or unexpected expenses arise during the renovation process. Time-consuming. Successfully flipping a property requires meticulous planning, execution, and management of renovation projects, which can be time-intensive and demanding for investors. Market instability. The volatility of the real estate market can pose challenges in predicting property values and sales outcomes, influencing the profitability of flipping ventures. Getting started in property flipping. Setting goals. Establish clear profit margins, timelines, and property types based on thorough market research and financial analysis to guide your investment decisions and objectives effectively. Building a team. Collaborate with real estate agents, contractors, and inspectors who possess industry expertise and can support you in identifying, renovating, and evaluating properties for flipping projects. Legal considerations. Prioritize compliance with legal regulations and requirements governing property transactions, ensuring that your flipping ventures adhere to ethical and legal standards to mitigate potential risks. By incorporating these fundamental principles and strategies into your property flipping endeavors, you can enhance your chances of success and navigate the complexities of the real estate market with confidence and proficiency. Remember that each flipping project presents unique challenges and opportunities, so staying informed, adaptable, and strategic is key to achieving your investment goals in this dynamic industry. Maximizing profit in real estate flipping. When it comes to the lucrative world of real estate flipping, success hinges on a careful balance of legal compliance, strategic property selection, astute financial planning, and renovation prowess. In this guide, we delve into the key considerations and steps to ensure a profitable real estate flipping venture. Navigating legal waters. Before diving into the real estate market, it is crucial to have a solid understanding of the legal landscape. Consulting with a lawyer to ensure all contracts and agreements comply with local laws is paramount. Zoning regulations, building codes, and permit requirements must be diligently researched and adhered to, avoiding potential legal pitfalls down the line. Strategic property acquisition. Market research serves as the foundation for profitable property investment. Identifying areas with positive economic indicators, high housing demand, and growth potential is essential. Thoroughly evaluating neighborhoods based on factors such as school quality, cost of living, and employment opportunities aids in selecting properties with strong resale potential. Renovate for success. When it comes to flipping properties, the mantra, buy low, sell high, rings true. Acquiring properties below market value provides room for profit margin. Prioritizing properties with minimal renovation needs can help keep costs in check, maximizing returns. Conducting a comprehensive property evaluation to assess structural integrity, renovation requirements, and resale value comparables is key to a successful flip. Financial savvy. A well-thought-out budget is the backbone of any real estate flipping endeavor. Calculating all costs, including acquisition, renovation, carrying, and selling expenses, ensures a clear financial roadmap. Setting aside a contingency fund for unexpected costs mitigates risks and safeguards profitability. Exploring funding options such as personal savings or bank loans requires a careful balance between cost efficiency and financial security. In conclusion, real estate flipping offers a rewarding opportunity for investors willing to navigate the complexities of property investment. By aligning legal compliance, strategic property selection, renovation expertise, and financial acumen, investors can maximize profits and achieve success in the dynamic world of real estate flipping. Maximizing financial success in real estate renovations. Real estate renovation projects often require substantial financial investments, and careful planning is crucial to ensuring success. While short-term, high-interest loans from private lenders can provide quick access to funds, they come at a price. To mitigate financial risks and increase available funds for larger projects, establishing partnerships with investors can be a strategic move. Cash flow management is a key aspect of successful renovation projects. Keeping a close eye on all expenses and adhering to the budget are fundamental practices. Implementing regular checkpoints to review finances and project progress allows for necessary adjustments to be made in a timely manner. When it comes to revenue projections, it is essential to consider the cost of sourcing materials as a starting point. Setting revenue projections that cover all costs and desired profit margins based on current market conditions is vital for financial sustainability. In the renovation process, meticulous planning is paramount. Defining the scope of work required for renovations and upgrades, creating a realistic timeline that accommodates unexpected delays, and allocating budgets efficiently across different aspects of the project are crucial steps to stay within financial constraints. Selecting reputable contractors is imperative for the success of a renovation project. Obtaining multiple quotes to ensure competitive pricing, checking references to verify the contractor's track record, and clearly defining the terms of the contract can help establish a solid working relationship. Effective project management is essential for keeping renovations on track. Regular check-ins at the site, consistent communication via email, and proactive problem-solving are key elements in ensuring that the project stays on schedule and within budget. When it comes to selling the renovated property, conducting a market analysis to set a competitive price and considering the property's condition are essential. Leveraging online platforms such as real estate websites and social media for marketing can help reach a wider audience and attract potential buyers. In conclusion, by implementing sound financial practices, meticulous planning, strategic partnerships, and effective project management, real estate investors can maximize their chances of financial success in renovation projects. Mastering the art of real estate flipping, key strategies for success. In the realm of real estate investment, the art of property flipping has emerged as a lucrative venture for those seeking to maximize returns through strategic buying and selling. While the process may seem straightforward, mastering the nuances of property flipping requires a comprehensive approach that encompasses various key strategies to achieve success. Here are some essential tactics to consider when delving into the world of real estate flipping. Professional photography and videography. Engage a skilled photographer to capture high-quality images and videos of the property to showcase its unique features and allure potential buyers. Visual content plays a crucial role in attracting interest and generating leads in today's competitive real estate market. Hosting open houses. Conducting open houses is a time-tested method to attract prospective buyers, allowing them to experience the property firsthand and envision themselves living in the space. Creating a welcoming and inviting atmosphere can significantly enhance the property's appeal and increase the chances of a successful sale. Strategic staging: invest in staging the property to enhance its overall aesthetic appeal and create a welcoming ambience for potential buyers. Thoughtful staging can help buyers envision the full potential of the space and make a lasting impression, increasing the likelihood of a quick sale. Mastering negotiation: develop strong negotiation skills and establish clear bottom lines when engaging with potential buyers. Maintaining flexibility while also standing firm on your desired price can lead to successful negotiations and favorable outcomes for all parties involved. Market intelligence and trend analysis: stay informed about market trends and economic indicators to make informed decisions regarding pricing and property investments. Being attuned to regional and national real estate trends can provide valuable insights for maximizing profits and minimizing risks. Building strategic partnerships: cultivate relationships with industry professionals such as real estate agents, contractors, inspectors, and attorneys who can offer valuable resources and expertise. Collaborating with a knowledgeable team can streamline the flipping process and enhance the overall success of your real estate ventures. Long-term growth strategy: continuously seek opportunities for learning and growth to enhance your skills and knowledge in the real estate industry. Diversifying your investments, expanding your team with specialized talent, and focusing on sought-after locations can pave the way for long-term success in property flipping. In conclusion, by implementing these key strategies and staying proactive in your approach, you can navigate the challenges of real estate flipping with confidence and success. Property flipping presents a wealth of opportunities for savvy investors who are willing to invest time, effort, and resources into mastering the art of real estate flipping. Embrace these strategies, adapt to market dynamics, and embark on your property flipping journey with a strategic mindset and a commitment to excellence. Happy flipping!